Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of kitchen carts. If you're looking for the perfect addition to your kitchen that combines functionality and style, you're in the right place. We'll be reviewing the best kitchen carts available, highlighting their features, and helping you find the ideal one for your needs. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Home Styles Liberty Kitchen Cart with Wood Top. This kitchen cart from Home Styles offers the benefits of a well-made, stylish, and multifunctional kitchen accessory. It features 3 deep storage drawers capable of holding a variety of items and a spacious cupboard with adjustable shelves. The cupboard doors open wide, providing easy access to your stored items. The top of this traditional kitchen cart is made from durable rubber wood, a hardwood similar to maple. It includes a full-length drop leaf that doubles the work surface, or can be used as a convenient breakfast bar. Additional features like a spice rack, towel holder, and locking wheels enhance the cart's functionality, making it a valuable addition to most kitchens. The Liberty Kitchen Cart is available in white or black finishes to match either dark or light kitchen cabinets. It is an efficient use of space and visually appealing. Adjustable knobs inside the cabinets allow you to lower or raise the shelves to meet your storage needs, providing more space for larger items like pots and pans or a smaller area for canned goods and glassware. The cart is available in 3 different colors, with prices varying by color. Number 2. Crossley Furniture Full-Size Kitchen Cart. This full-size kitchen cart from Crossley Furniture stands out for its range of customizable options, making it feel almost tailor-made. You can choose from 4 finishes: warm cherry, mahogany, white, or black, allowing it to match your decor perfectly. The expansive 42-inch worktop is available in solid wood, stainless steel, or granite, so you can select the ideal surface for your cooking needs. The Crossley Furniture Cart features a double-wide central cupboard and single-wide cupboards on either side, each with an adjustable shelf to accommodate various storage needs. Above the cupboards are 2 wide drawers that provide additional storage space for utensils, gadgets, or other kitchen essentials. One end of the cart includes a paper towel holder for easy access, while the other end supports a rack for bottles and jars, along with a towel rail, enhancing its functionality. The cart's quality is exemplary, combining durability with an attractive design. Its versatile and stately appearance means it could fit equally well in a lounge or dining room as a bar companion, making it a stylish and practical addition to any home. With its range of finishes and worktop options, the Crossley Furniture Kitchen Cart is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their kitchen's functionality and aesthetics. Number 3. Arwood Home Williams Kitchen Cart. Unlike typical kitchen carts with just 2 or 3 open tiers, this Arwood Home Kitchen Cart elevates your pantry storage to the next level. At its center, there is an open shelf and a closed cabinet beneath it, perfect for stowing away large kitchen tools. On the left side, 6 cupboards are designed to fit wine bottles or mugs, while on the right side, 3 deep shelves with guard rails provide secure storage for small boxes or jars. Despite its numerous compartments, this cart maintains a sleek and elevated appearance, avoiding a clunky or utilitarian look. However, it's essential to note that the cart is made from engineered wood, which is more prone to damage than solid wood and can be tricky to clean. To clean this cart, use a damp cloth sparingly, which might not be practical for cooking tasks involving ingredients that could drip or splatter. With its innovative design and ample storage options, this Arwood Home Kitchen Cart is an excellent choice for enhancing your kitchen organization and style. What stands out? It has a wide range of compartments, allowing you to organize and maximize your space. What could be improved? The engineered wood isn't the strongest material out there, and may be tricky to clean. Number 4. Viva Rolling Kitchen Island with Storage. A drop leaf table is a hinged addition to a tabletop that provides extra space when needed. The Viva Rolling Kitchen Island with Storage features a 12-inch drop leaf extension, adding valuable work or eating space. Constructed from a combination of manufactured wood and rubber wood, this kitchen cart is sturdy and built to last. It includes a swing door cabinet and 3 pull-out drawers, allowing you to keep your prep table, pots and pans, and utensils within easy reach. Its slim design ensures it doesn't take up much space, making it ideal for busy or chaotic kitchens. The finished black aesthetic and polished handles give it a sophisticated look, but it's also available in white or grey. It is equipped with wheels, allowing for easy mobility around the kitchen. However, it should be noted that the top of this kitchen cart is not meant to be used as a butcher block and is intended for display purposes only. Overall, the Viva rolling kitchen island with storage combines functionality and style, making it a practical and elegant addition to any kitchen. Why you should get it? This kitchen island comes with 3 pull-out drawers which adds to accessible storage space. Number 5. Viva Kitchen Island Cart with solid wood top. With its stylish design, spacious storage, and various accessories, the Viva Kitchen Island Cart with a solid wood top is built to impress. Standing at about 32.7 inches tall, this cart is versatile enough to serve as a kitchen island, a coffee station, or stylish kitchen storage. One of the standout features of this kitchen cart is its ample storage. It includes 2 pull-out drawers and 2 separate storage spaces for various kitchen tools, pots, and pans. Additionally, it comes with an adjustable board, a spice rack, and a towel rack, ensuring all your kitchen essentials are within easy reach. The top board doubles as a cutting board, making it a valuable asset during cooking. The cart is also movable thanks to its wheels, but built-in stoppers allow you to keep it stationary if preferred. It boasts a total weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Overall, the Viva Kitchen Island Cart combines functionality and elegance, making it a practical and eye-catching addition to any kitchen. Why you should get it? This kitchen cart includes a spice rack, adjustable cutting board, and a towel rack. Keep in mind, this kitchen cart may be too small to hold appliances such as a microwave or a toaster oven.